Waves. They rise, they fall, they turn without warning. Some lift you, some slow you down, some hold you back, deciding what comes next. But some waves are engineered to do more, to see more, to reach deeper. Some waves know exactly where to go and what to do when they get there. Some clear the path, some create a new one, bringing recoveries that are faster, success rates that are higher, and comebacks that are stronger than ever. Grounded in science, proven in outcomes, they carry life forward every day. We are the wave, and we heal like never before. This World Health Day and every other day, the waves of healing will always flow with you.